Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today's video I'll show you how to save a route on Google Maps. So select your area. So if I select this one, after that you have to just go for in this save option. Now you can um, save it in this default uh, list, or otherwise you can make a new list from here. So I'm just go for this favorite option, and you can add note if you want. So okay, I'm not gonna do this also. Just go for done, and it's saved to your favorites now. So this is how you can save a route on Google Maps. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.